Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate CareFirst Member Portal account, online setup guide step by step clearly. To activate your CareFirst Member Portal account, start by visiting the CareFirst website. On the home page, locate the Member Login button. Click on the button to redirect to the login page. Here, you will see an option that says Register for online access. Select this option to begin the registration process. You will be asked to enter your member information. Provide your member ID, date of birth, and zip code as prompted. After filling in the required fields, click on Continue. Next, you will receive instructions to verify your identity. Follow the prompts to complete the verification process. Once verified, you can create your username and password. Make sure to choose a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. After setting your login credentials, complete any additional fields as necessary. Review and accept the terms and conditions provided. Once you have finished, click the Submit button to finalize your account activation. You should receive a confirmation message indicating your account is now active. Now, return to the member login page. Enter your new username and password to log into your account. You are now ready to explore the features available on your CareFirst Member Portal account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.